The following segment is sponsored by Visa.
The busy holiday shopping season is a time when many people are targeted by scammers. Here to help is fraud expert James Mirfin. James, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, this is such an important topic. How can people be more aware of fraud when making purchases?
Well, at this time of year, if there's one group of people that are more excited than us about shopping online, it's the scammers, unfortunately, that are trying to steal from us. So it's really important to be thoughtful when you're shopping. Only use trusted retailers or websites that you've used before, or where you know and you're confident about them. If you are going to a new retailer and trying to take advantage of an offer, make sure that you go into your browser and you key in that web address. You don't click on links, and look for the HTTPS in the web address. That shows that it's a secure website. So it's just worth being a little bit more cautious at this time of year when you're shopping online.
All right, and so many of us are on social media, but what is the danger of clicking on links through social media?
I think one tip, particularly at this time of year, if you see an offer on social media or in your email or in a text message and it looks too good to be true, it's probably too good to be true. This time last year, 1 in 3 consumers actually clicked on those links and got taken off to phishing sites. So the danger is when you click on that, it's not a genuine merchant. They're looking to steal your personal information or your payment credentials. So it's always worth, even if you see a great offer on social media, rather go into your browser and key in the web address and go directly to that retailer's website.
Okay, so if someone suspects fraud or an online scam, what should they do?
It's really important to try and stay on top of the transactions on your account. Visa offers purchase alerts with your debit card or your credit card, so you can go to your bank or your credit card company. You can sign up for those real-time notifications. You can see them all coming through when you're taking advantage of the holiday offers. But more importantly, if there is a suspicious transaction or a charge that you don't recognize, you can pull out your card, you can call the number on the back, talk to your bank, and they'll be able to help resolve that transaction, but also get your account secure again so you can keep shopping safely online.
Perfect. All right. So what is the best way to shop safely online? Because we're all going to still do it.
I hope you do. There's lots of good offers out there, but we would always say credit and debit cards are a great, safe way to shop online. They obviously come with purchase protection, so you know that if there is a problem with an order, you've got that peace of mind and protection. And equally, if you're going in store, lots of us like to go and shop in store and in person at this time of year. So again, it's always a good idea to try and tap to pay or use contactless. Just have that extra bit of security when you're shopping in store as well. All
right, so you're the expert. Can you share some tips for protecting passwords and privacy?
Yeah, it's always a good idea to try and check your privacy settings on your browser. Make sure you're restricting as much of that personal information as you can. And when it comes to passwords, it's really easy to have one password and use a dog's name or a kid's name, but that's a really bad idea. We'd always recommend using complex passwords, setting up individual passwords for every account that you set up online. And also, if you are setting up an account and you have the option to create a second factor authentication or multi-factor authentication, set that up as well, so that if somebody does get hold of your credentials, you've always got that extra step and it should keep your account nice and safe and secure.
Perfect. James, thank you for keeping us safe while we're shopping online this holiday season. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you. Happy holidays.